Beautiful chicken skewers. So what you need is you need these sticks, okay? You need beautiful boneless chicken breast, okay? Cut that much big pieces, cubes. Halloumi, chicken breast, capsicum or pepper, green chicken breast, red pepper, halloumi. Marinate with this beautiful satay marinade. Keep it for around 2 to 3 hours, and then on a pan, voila, there you go, beautiful chicken skewers. Simple, easy, elegant, eh? Isn't it? Right? So these are beautiful nibbles. Verify. You have to use chicken breast, okay, because it cooks faster and easy. A little bit of oil, and then you just drop it in here and fry it. Beautiful, eh? Simple chicken skewers. Try it at home. Serve it as a nice nibble with probably some beautiful chapati, paratha, bread rolls or baguette. So when you marinate, you make sure you add or sprinkle adequate salt. Okay, that's it. Very sure you fry them until they are lovely and golden brown. Okay, and that's the time it is cooked. One more tip, please. Put the lid when you are frying. Beautiful chicken skewers. Voila. So guys, enjoy this lovely simple recipe, easy, tasty and beautiful.